I'll be showing you how to write a Python program that randomly selects a monster and its perks from Evolve Stage 2. We'll be using lists and functions, and I'll explain each part of the code as we go along. So let's get started with this high-level overview. First, we have 4 lists: monsters, perk 1, perk 2, and perk 3. The monsters list contains all of the possible monster characters, while the perk 1, perk 2, and perk 3 lists contain the different perks for each monster. These lists are essential to our program as they provide the data that we will use to randomly select the monster and its perks. Then we get to our functions. These functions are choose_monster, choose_perks, and print_picks. The choose_monster function just randomly selects a monster from the monsters list and returns it. This is a very simple function. The next one is choose_perks, and this one takes an argument num_perks, which is the number of perks to select, and it returns a list of randomly selected perks from the perk 1, perk 2, and perk 3 lists. The print_picks function, it takes a monster and a list of perks as an argument and just prints out the selected monster and its perks. That's what we'll see. Finally, we have the main code that ties everything together. We first call the choose_monster function and store the result in a variable called monster. Then we call the choose_perks function with an argument of 3 and store the result in a variable called perks. Finally, we call the print_picks function with a monster and perks variables as arguments, and the program prints the selected monster and its perks. There's always room for improvement in any program, and a few things I can think of here is maybe adding error handling. I don't think we'll have any errors, but you never know. We could also do print_picks. We can make this a lot more in-depth. It's really simple right now. We could display an image of the selected monster. I think that'd be kind of cool. But yeah, that's a quick overview, and if you want me to break down any part of this further, I'd be happy to. Just let me know in the comments below.